Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope you come back again for another video soon. This week I am planning using the Happy Meal kit by Scribble Co. I've had this kit for quite a while now, since it was initially released a while ago, and I just got around to using it. I did pair this kit with hollow foil. I don't have a ton of hollow in my collection in terms of scripts and things, so I did pull in a lot of silver to fill in the gaps as well. If you do have any questions about stickers or anything that I don't get around to mentioning, feel free to leave any questions in a comment below. I'll just go over some highlights from the week, and yeah, here we go. I did use my sidebar this week to very intentionally mark my PM routine, days when I was able to do my sort of PM skincare and wind down routine. I've been trying to make that a lot more intentional recently. And then also listening to an audiobook. I did finish an audiobook this week. I finished listening to Pride and Prejudice. That's a book that I've read many times and just had a chance to listen to on Audible. I listened to the version that is narrated by Rosamund Pike. And I finished that this week and started another audiobook, which I'll talk about a little bit later in the video. So I did mark off days that I did both of those things, my PM routine as well as listening to an audiobook. A book / audiobook was finishing one was one of my goals this month, so I was happy to have accomplished that close to the end of May, at the end of this week. On Monday began the last full week of school. That is something that I marked up on my this week section, that there were 2 more weeks of school this week that I'm planning now, and next week are our last weeks of school, and our last day of school is Friday, and we do have Memorial Day Monday off. So next week is a short week of school. So this was our last full week and our last Monday of school. And because it was our last Monday, it was our last staff meeting, school staff meeting, and pre-K team meeting, which was bittersweet to have our last virtual meetings. But good to kind of free that up in our schedule a little bit. I watched Grey's Anatomy in the evening on Monday, and I marked that with a Copy Monsters Co. sticker. I did have to cut off the Meredith on the sticker and just stick with the script, but I think it turned out okay in the end. I received, some Happy Mail this day, and I filmed a haul bit that is marked with a script from Letters to Apollo and a piece of deco from the kit. Tuesday was exciting because I finished my 30 days of Instagram challenge that I set for myself. I marked that on the top of Tuesday with an Instagram post script in silver from Kinsey's Creations and a little phone icon that was a deco piece that came in the kit. I just had my normal work day, and during work I started working on preschool diplomas for my students. I bought a sort of generic preschool diploma on Amazon and started filling those out for my students this day. So I did mark that in that little light pink box in the second section of the day on the top with a little sticker piece of deco there, and I'm just going to write in, start working on diplomas a little bit later. I did also do some sticker organization. I marked that with another piece of deco from the kit and an organized stickers script, also from Kinsey's Creations, I believe in silver. And I'll need to do another sticker organization video here very soon. My little folio that I use to store my stickers to be organized is quite full with some things that I've recently hauled and just sticker sheets that I've used in recent projects, so I'll need to film another one of those very soon. On Wednesday, I began the day by uploading my B6 spiral planner setup video. The upload script at the top of Wednesday is from Netty Designs. I also had some planing time this day, which I marked with a script from Jessica Hart's in silver and a Stick with the Plan Co Girl. I haven't used those in a long time, but her pink sweater I thought went with, and blonde hair went with the vibe of this kit. You can see her right there with that silver planing script from Jessica Hart's. This day we also did some prep for our cat. We were planning to have our water heater replaced on Thursday, so we wanted to reorganize some of our cat's things, like his food and his litter box and stuff, so that they weren't in the way of the contractor doing the work. But that wound up being a no-go. On Thursday was an extremely busy day. We did not wind up getting our water heater replaced that day because the tech called that morning and canceled the job. He was out sick, so we did wind up having to reschedule that. Thursday in the morning, we got up early. I had an ultrasound and blood work scheduled, preparing for my second IUI. Let's see. So we did get the call back that afternoon with the results of the blood work, and I was originally thinking that since the blood work and ultrasound was on Thursday, that the IUI wouldn't be scheduled at least until Saturday or Sunday. I was incorrect. My body had other plans, and they called and said, let's do the IUI tomorrow. So I had to kind of change my entire plan. I did actually have to pull up basically the entirety of Friday. I had already planned that, but I had to essentially peel it all up and start again because the plans completely changed for Friday, and I had to kind of rush on Thursday evening to secure a sub, get sub plans ready, and everything for me to be out on Friday morning. That was quite stressful, but we did okay. On Thursday, I also washed our sheets, and we did my hormone injection that's required before the IUI. We did that on Thursday evening. Stressful, but we did it. Friday was interesting. Busy day. I started the day uploading my first B6 plan with me, which was fun. Before the IUI appointment, my husband and I went to get Starbucks, and we got breakfast and coffee and just chilled in the car for a while before my appointment, which was nice. The IUI went well. It was much better than the first time. Had a really good experience. When we got home, the anxiety and everything from the past few days, craziness, kind of all came to a head, and I just got completely exhausted and took a nap. Saturday, I did some filming and started a new audiobook, the first in the Bridgerton series, The Duke and I by Julia Quinn. And today is Sunday. I slept in, did some tidying up in preparation for our cleaners, who are coming tomorrow. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. They are coming in the afternoon, so I just did some tidying up to prep for them. Just making sure that trash is out, just things are put away so they can clean more efficiently. And yeah, I'm finishing up this video on Sunday afternoon, and I'll work on getting it up and getting the thumbnail finished and everything here as soon as I'm finished with this voiceover. I'm currently working on laundry and the dishwasher's running. We're also going to see my mom tonight for dinner. And then I just kind of wanted to get all these chores and things done today so that we could fully relax tomorrow, since it's Memorial Day and my husband and I both have the day off. So I wanted to make the most of that and not have too many chores and things to do. So I did a bunch of organizing, a little bit of cleaning, and I definitely wanted to make sure to get this video done so that it's ready for you all on Monday morning. And I think we're going to do a Starbucks run and go for a walk here in just a little bit after I'm done with this video and this voiceover. And that is about it. I hope you all had a wonderful week, productive but pleasant. And let me know what your favorite part of your week was in a comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye bye.